Hello everyone, this is Prince 117005. Just want to make this video about do Nonito Donaire surpassed at this point surpassed Manny Pacquiao as that pound per pound rankings. Is he the best Filipino boxer today? I mean, me being a Filipino, it's really hard to answer this question because I love both these guys. You know, they're both great fighters or boxers, but they have different styles. I've seen some videos suggesting that Nonito Donaire by now should surpass Manny Pacquiao in the pound per pound ranking. So with my own opinion, I don't think at this point I don't think Nonito Donaire did or done things that should put him above or higher than Manny Pacquiao. But this is my view on the matter. I think Manny Pacquiao, if he don't focus on his next fight and show a spectacular performance against Marquez, I think by all means put Nonito Donaire higher than him. So if we're talking about accomplishment, just like what I've seen in other videos, Manny Pacquiao is way ahead of all those fighters, especially other Filipino fighters. He accomplished more. He beaten more great opposition compared to others, but he's getting to the point that he's kinda moving out. I mean, his passion, his desire to, is not 100% there anymore since he fought Shane Mosley. And right now, Nonito Donaire is accomplishing or building his credentials to have a case on the pound per pound ranking. So if we're talking about talent, there's no question about it that Nonito Donaire is much more talented than Manny Pacquiao in terms of talent and in skills. I think he's a lot slicker. I mean, smarter. Inside, I mean, don't get me wrong. I think Pacquiao is a smart fighter, but I just think that Nonito Donaire is much smarter at this point. But all these factors, I think, is because that Nonito Donaire is just reaching his stage or status, or his this time he's on his prime compared to Pacquiao, who's I think is getting older or he's slipping. right now I just think that Nonito Donaire should at least do more, at least one more fight against at least against the like of Abner Mares or Guillermo Rigondo, so that I can put him above or higher than Pacquiao. But one factor also is if Pacquiao perform bad or loses to Marquez, then definitely Donaire have a case for him to be higher than Pacquiao. So I like what one YouTube channel um, said, or example that he said that all the guys that Nonito Donaire have bought in the past 2 to 3 years were all good fighters, but none of them can compare to the caliber of let's say Marquez alone. So no one. So how can you put even though Marquez might have won against Pacquiao in their last fight, still the judges gave it to Pacquiao. So that means that officially Pacquiao won against Marquez. So by beating Marquez, by putting him down 4 times, if I'm not mistaken, in their past 3 fights, shows you that Pacquiao did accomplish more than Donaire. So at this point, the bottom line is at this point I think that Pacquiao is still higher, should be ranked higher than Donaire. But let's see what will happen in December against Juan Manuel Marquez, and if somehow Marquez beats Pacquiao, he deserves Nonito Donaire deserves to be higher than Pacquiao. But if Pacquiao beats Marquez convincingly or by KO or TKO, Pacquiao should stay higher than Donaire. That's it. This is Prince 117005 out.